Hi, my name is Daniel Anderson, and today I'll be doing a brief presentation on the Quick Order Pro, a wonderful new application just released by Centek Solutions. Since the Quick Order Pro has many different add-ons that can be added to it, I won't be going into much detail about each one of them, but just some of the key features that you should expect to find if you decide to offer this incredible application to your customers. So first of all, the obvious question is, who can benefit from utilizing the Quick Order Pro? And the answer to that is that the Quick Order Pro can be used by any web customer, anybody who wants to make their shopping experience faster and more efficient, or who wishes to have richer tools available can use the Quick Order Pro. So let's go ahead and start exploring this application, and again, this is truly one unbelievable program. So first of all, the Quick Order Pro gets installed around your NetSuite hosted website, and this is true whether you have a custom website or a standard out-of-the-box version. And basically what this means is that you don't have to do anything to your site or change how your site currently works in any way in order to use this application. All you'd probably need to do is just to place a quick link somewhere on the page pointing to the Quick Order Pro. So unlike other applications which require redesigning the site or modifying entire sections of your website, this application is very unique because it doesn't disturb or interrupt your current site or your operations in any way. After logging in, once your customers click on this link or tab, one of the first things they'll notice when they arrive on the Quick Order Pro page are four different main tabs. These are the customer's order history, their top items, their lists or wish lists, and the Quick Order tab. When they click on the Order History tab, the application will automatically pull all of their shopping history, and although the NetSuite vanilla version does have an order history, you'll see that this one is completely incredible. Now when the order history gets pulled, it automatically defaults to the past 3 months, but customers have an amazing range of possibilities in order to expand or narrow this search. They can use any of the presets, 6 months, 9 months, a year, or they can even use a calendar to filter by very specific date ranges. So for instance, if I wanted to see just the past 7 months, I'd go to the calendar here, pick the dates, we'll start with the starting month. We'll select that, do the same for the end date, and filter. Now as you can see, I have all of my shopping history here. And what's even more incredible, I can even filter this too. I can filter by price, by quantity, by date, by item. There are many ways that I can easily find the order items that I'm looking for. So let's assume that I found the right order and I want to reorder these items. I can reorder the entire order or specific items from that order. So I can click here and here and here. I'll select this and this one as well. And when I'm done, I can just add everything to the cart at once. So think about this for a second. If someone needed to get this done the standard way, they would either spend a long time on the site navigating and searching for every item, or they would probably actually want to do this on their own because it's simple and very easy to do. Moving on to the next tab, you'll see a Top Items tab, and this is just another great feature meant to increase your customers' productivity and shopping experience on your site, especially for B2B customers. If they're unsure about which items to reorder or restock their supplies on, they can go to this tab here and get an amazing view of what has been probably their best-selling items that they have purchased from you in the past. So here too, they have a wide range of different tools they can use to filter this even further. So if they want to filter by date, or by quantity, or by item, they can also do that. Once they have decided what they want to reorder from you, it's very, very easy to do. Look at this, just incredible. I'll simply place a check mark here, here, here. I'll do all of these as well. Click the Add All button, and that's it. I'm done. Another great feature that you'll find on the Quick Order Pro is a custom pagination listing. This is very useful for shoppers on mobile devices who may want to limit the amount of information the page renders at once. So again, if I'm on a mobile device and my internet connection is somewhat limited, I can set it to display fewer items. But if I'm on a high-speed internet connection, I may want the page to display more items at once so that fewer clicks are needed to navigate back and forth between pages. The next tab you'll find on the Quick Order Pro is the Wish List tab. Here customers can save items to different lists and manage not only the items but multiple lists as well. Now this particular functionality is very useful for all those shoppers who like to plan ahead and start putting together their orders in advance. This feature is great too for B2B customers who need to place orders for their own customers. And it's also great for those customers who are not prepared to check out yet or somewhat unsure about what they need. Here you're giving them the option to save the cart contents for later because you know that they're more likely to return to the site if they don't have to recreate their entire order all over again. Now, there are two ways that they can access their wish list. One is from the product page, and they'll see a save button that will open up a pop-over displaying different options. The other way they can access and manage their list is through the wish list tab on the Quick Order Pro. Here they have just an incredible set of different options where they can rename their lists, delete them, or even merge them or move their items around between lists if they wish to do so. So again, another great feature to make sure you don't lose any sales simply because you're not giving your customers the tools they need to manage their purchases more efficiently. The fourth feature that comes pre-installed with Quick Order Pro, and again, you can add more features if you like, but this feature is called Quick Order, and it's just an awesome way for your customers to place orders very, very quickly and with very little effort. So let's suppose that you have customers who like to fax their orders in, or place them on the phone because there may be many different items that go on that order. Well, here the Quick Order feature will make it very convenient for them to place it online. Here you'll see that your customers have a quick search box, and the quick search is great because it also kicks in a suggester to make it even easier for your customers to place the order. So assuming I had a list of items that I need to get, I can come to the quick order section, and by going to the quick search, as soon as I start typing in, the application's built-in suggester will kick in and start suggesting items that I might be looking for. So here I've typed the letter B, and you'll see that the quick search is trying to help me find the right item. So I'll say that this is the right item, and I'll click the Add to My List button. I'll go and look for a few more items and keep adding to my list. Very easy to do, as you can see. No need to bother with a phone or sending a fax through. This is very, very convenient. Once I'm finished adding the different items to my list, I'll tell the Quick Order how many items I need for each product. I'll do that here. I'll say I need a couple of these and a few of these. When I'm done, just click Add All like we did before, and that's it. I'm done. I literally took an order that would normally take 10 to 15 minutes to place and place it in just seconds. Simply amazing. Now, as I mentioned before, the Quick Order Pro comes pre-installed with these 4 great features, but like I said, more plugins are also available for it you can add separately. So if you want to add another tab for a store locator, you have that choice too. Or if you want to install a gift registry for your customers, or a tab that shows your customers when more inventory will be arriving, or a special promos tab, or items just in, all these plugins are available as well as many others. Now, one thing I didn't mention yet is that the Quick Order Pro is part of Centek's Suite Pro community offerings. A great thing about joining Suite Pro community is that by doing so, you can actually leverage off other members' developments. So as more features become available down the road for the Quick Order Pro, or other features offered by Centek hit the market, you can actually purchase those new features and enhancements that your site may need down the road for only a fraction of the cost. So join the Suite Pro community and start saving on many new apps developed for the NetSuite application. Well, that's it for my presentation on the Quick Order Pro. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay ahead of the curve, and I'll be back soon with more great Centek applications to help boost your sales and increase your customer shopping experience.